Let's swipe up, go to settings, and we want to go to display. Go down to display size and text. And here is where you can make the adjustments to make the text larger. Start with the font size. Now I can just press on this plus here, and I can see how if I just increase this by 1, how things get bigger. Pay close attention to the size of the text underneath the apps here. Let's press it again. Every time I press it, you'll see the text. Everything is getting much larger. There we go. So just make it much easier for you to see things on your screen. You can also increase the display size, and this will also make things larger. Now, if I hit the home button, you're going to notice that everything on the phone is now much bigger. If I go to Google Chrome, same thing. You'll notice the text is much larger now. If I go to an article, the text is much bigger. So you'll want to play around with those two options, font size and display size. That's going to help you really hone in on the best size for things on the screen. I tend to like things pretty small on the screen just because this allows me to fit more on the screen. But obviously, make the adjustment based on what is the best for your eyes. Hope you guys found that video helpful. If it was, please hit that like button down below and make sure you subscribe. And also consider hitting the little heart and leaving us a tip. Now, this was a snippet from our larger beginner video. You can find the full video right here. And here you can find a link to all the other videos I've shot on this phone to help you continue to learn and see all the things you can do with this phone. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.